Hello, this is IdealTopics.com, and today I'm going to show you how to add affiliate links to a post. It could be a page. We're going to add it to a post because we're actually going to write the post and add the links, which if you go back and forth with videos, sometimes you're like, oh, this is how a link works, this is how I make a post, this and that, and so forth. We're going to put it all together in one thing. I'm going to use my affiliate Fiverr. Fiverr is a freelance service where you can get logos made, help with the website. I mean, you pretty much name it, they can do it. I'm going to do it with Fiverr because it's the one I've actually made over $100 with. And I'm ecstatic, which is why I'm making this video. And anybody out there trying to figure this out, I hope this helps because it really is a difficult game to just show people, hey, there's something cool out there and, check it out. So we're actually going to just write a post, and I'm going to call this, I think, just like Fiverr affiliate links. Why not? Fiverr affiliate links. Now we started a WordPress post called Fiverr affiliate links, and our first one, let's make a text link, and we'll say this is a text link to what? To Fiverr? Sure, why not? To Fiverr. Now here's the key. To become an affiliate at Fiverr, type Fiverr affiliate online, fill out the forms, and if you have a website that they think has got a chance to help their business, they'll be more than happy to say, hey, jump on board. And they did for me, and I've made a little money doing it, so it's pretty cool. So Fiverr itself, freelance services, business. It's not just online stuff. It's like HR. I mean, there's a million things on there. It's pretty cool, and it's the best. So when I became a Fiverr affiliate, the very first thing you'll ever log into is your dashboard. I'm keeping this simple. I'm not going to explain all this because actually I only know about 80% of it. And I only have to use about 80% of it, and I made money. It's pretty cool. And my balance is zero. The money cleared like about 2 or 3 days ago, and I was just ecstatic. I was high-fiving the wife. It was great. And they keep track of your clicks and what people are doing, and that's pretty cool too. So the first thing we're going to do is we're just going to add just a basic text link. So the thing you do with most affiliate things, they're all incredibly similar, and you can get fancy. There's some things that can really get into widgets and how you throw things on social media. It's really cool and all, but we're essentially just going to make a text link to like the first page. So we're going to do this by using, this is a great thing, default and deep links. Remember that everyone has deep links, which means you can specifically link to a page. This is the coolest thing ever. So for this one, I'm going to keep it really basic. I'm going to make it this first page, and I'm just going to go like this. I'm going to copy the URL, and I'm going to go back here, and what you do, if you're on Fiverr, but other places are just like this, you put it in here, and it'll have some sort of field where you put it in, and all I have to do is hit enter, and if you saw these change, I now have a link to Fiverr that I'm going to just put into text. So let's take this one, Fiverr Hybrid, which says how you're going to get paid, and they have a model that either pays you commission or straight fees or many different ways to get things done. So what I've done in WordPress is I've actually added the link to Fiverr. I'm going to enter that. I'm going to close that, and I now have this as a text link to Fiverr by using default and deep links. I put it in LP URL, and we got the link right there. It's very similar with images. I have some images from Fiverr on my website, and I'm going to go here and let's add an image. If you use WordPress, which I really hope you do, if not, please write a comment below and be like, hey, I tried an image in WordPress. So I'm going to select an image. I've put images in the media library, and hopefully I have one in here that looks kind of Fiverr-ish. Where's the front page? Ah, there it is right there. Fiverr homepage. That's the one I do. I don't know why that popped up during the whole thing. Perfect. This is great. So it's the first page to Fiverr. So I can use the same thing. I have my Fiverr.com. I put it here, which I've already done. And then I get the link built for me. I'll do this one, CPA. I'm going to go here, and I'm just going to add the link. enter, and now I have a link, a text link, which typically people say stuff like, hey, welcome to my house. I like sitting in a really comfy sofa, and you'll put the link for sofa to like Ashley Furniture or something. I'm not sure, but she'll put it out there, and they'll go to the sofa page because you did a default deep link. I've done that also with this, with an image. Here's a neat thing though. They have pre-made templates or pictures and things that you can put, like when you see on the side of a page, at the bottom of a page, or somewhere. It's essentially just an image like this. And you can take one of these and they'll size it for you, and you have to put it in accordingly. But I will pick a huge one. I'll pick this one. Now for this, I use get HTML code, because the HTML code is what I'm going to add in WordPress, and it will do the whole thing for me. So I'm going to copy this HTML code. I go back here, and in WordPress I'm going to do custom HTML, or just HTML right there, perfect. You can type custom HTML up in here and you'll get it. But we'll do that, and I'm going to paste HTML code right there, and if I preview it, you'll see that on my site I would have this, which already has the link built in. You don't have to do it, which is just super cool too. I mean, you are on your way to making some money. And the last thing I want to show, just because I like Fiverr, is their video creatives. This is important. This is something to pay attention to. They have what they typically, everybody calls them a creative. And it's their different things like banners or text or a search widget or a movie or whatever. But they call them all creatives. And we're going to go for a video one. And these are ones you actually see online at times, which I find some of them hilarious. And let's pick one like why Fiverr affiliates. Perfect. We're going to also do get HTML code, and that is a lot of magic right there. So let's just copy that, and let's paste that also as HTML, because we have a web address, HTTPS, like this one up here, where it'll go and it sizes the image for you and everything like that. So paste, let's preview that too. This will then be something here, and Fiverr's built the link in down here. So I have a post called Fiverr Affiliate Links. This is a text link to Fiverr. This is the other one where I use an image. This one was the one where it's an image, but it's their image with everything built in your online code. And this one is also the video for our Fiverr affiliates. That's pretty cool because it has this at the bottom. I mean, they make really neat ones too. And I'm actually even going to publish this. And we'll put this, it'll wind up, I don't know, on my website how-tos page or something at idealtopics.com. And it's now going to show up actually on Twitter and Facebook as a pretty incomplete post. But it'll be there and available to look at. And if you want to click or do anything with it, that is perfectly all right. At the bottom of the video, actually, if you want to be a Fiverr affiliate, I'll put a link to Fiverr affiliates. And if you want to just check it out and try to get something going, or actually if you just go to Fiverr itself and sign up to sell your goods or services or whatever you want, typically services, not goods, on Fiverr, give that a shot too. And remember, it takes a amount of work to really get people to buy into things. And this obviously is not a nice post about why logos are important and how to design and develop. And no, you found Fiverr and how you write things like that. So I hope this helps. We have a post with text, image, also an image, but URL code, and then a video creative. This is how you put them online. This is how we could resize and do things with it, but this is what you really need to have if you want to start making a little money and trying to earn online like we've been doing at Ideal Topics. So if you watch the whole thing, hopes it's helped, and appreciate any interest. Any subscribes or likes would be wonderful. Any comments, whether good or bad, are more than appreciated. So thank you very much, and have a good rest of your day, and best of luck with everything you do online. Thanks.